Ever lost a hot lead in a maze of time zone mix-ups and endless calendar emails? Scheduling is a silent killer for deals. A single 1 hour time zone gap can slash your availability, and your team wastes about 30 minutes every day in coordinating the schedules. Meanwhile, the prospects drift away, and also clients hate back and forth, and it feels very unprofessional. Now imagine this. They call and a voice AI assistant picks up, asks for their availability and their country, converts it instantly to your time zone, checks your real calendar and books slot on the spot. In seconds they also get a WhatsApp message and an email and even a personalized gift. So yeah, I'm going to show you at how it works. Meanwhile, if you are new to channel, I am Tanish Agarwal, the founder of Talknetic. I help businesses to cut costs and save time and free up their teams to focus on what really matters. Every week, I open just 3 free consultation slots. You will find the link in the description. So if you want to explore how Voice AI can help your business, grab one before they are gone. Here is the main problem. Time zone mix-ups, endless back and forth emails, and admin wasted on scheduling kills momentum. By the time you confirm a meeting, the prospect may already be gone or worse, frustrated. And clients hate this ping pong. It makes you look unreliable and very unprofessional, even when you are not. So here my voice AI agent comes in. So yeah, let's jump on our PC. So yeah, this is my first scenario in make.com. This actually takes the request from the Google form, or you can say the landing page of my client, and after that it checks whether the person has called before or not. There's a limit. A person can call only 3 times. More than 3 times you will not be able to call. This is for the creation of transcript and its analysis, and this actually send a gift and also a mail to my client like saying, hey, this guy has booked a meeting with us, and also the analysis of transcript is there. So I will give you a live demo. I will not show you the landing page because it's of my client. So I will just trigger this automation from my Postman. So let's do it. Let's wait for the call. So I got the call.
Hi there, this is Max's AI phone agent from Max, calling you literally seconds after you submitted the form. How are you doing today, Tanish?
I am doing very good. Thank you.
That's great to hear. Just like I'm calling you now, I could be calling all your leads instantly too, within 15 seconds of them responding to your ads. We noticed your recent Meta ad campaign and selected your company for this exclusive.
So I will not tell you this. Just book me a meeting for today 10:30 p.m.
I understand you're eager to get started. Just to confirm, could you please let me know which country you're in?
I'm in USA.
This will help me. Thank you for that information. I have checked the availability and we have open slots for your requested time. Would you like to go ahead and book the meeting for today at 10:30 p.m.?
Yeah, please book it.
Perfect. I've successfully booked your appointment for today at 10:30 p.m. You'll receive a calendar invite shortly at the email you provided. Thanks for your time, Tanish. This could seriously change how you do business.
So as you can see, this is my second scenario. It's actually a big scenario, and the purpose itself is checking the calendar and scheduling the meeting. Also, it sends the WhatsApp message. So for WhatsApp, I'm using notifier systems, which actually send the template message. So I will give you the rough explanation only because it's of my client. I can't disclose some details. But after that, I will give you a proper explanation on a flowchart. But here in make.com, it's just a rough explanation. Firstly, we use GeoNames API to get our IANA time zone by the name of our country. And after that, we convert our requested time into my client's time zone, which is like Asia Manila. He is in Philippines right now. So after that, we will check the availability from calendar, and that's according to his time zone. But when we will give the response back to the user, or you can say caller, it's according to our time zone. So as I asked 10:30 p.m. So for my client, it would be around 10:30 a.m. next day. But it said to me that 10:30 p.m. is available. So it calibrated the calendar and returned the response according to my time zone. So if the day has busy slots, so this branch is triggered, which actually checks the free slots. but it also tells like if the requested time is available or is it in that busy slots or not. Let's say if it's in the busy slot, so yeah, we can like check other different times. These are different branches for different timings. Also, if the requested date is today as per my client, so a different branch will be triggered, and if it's any day later than today's date, so a different branch will be triggered. So this is the whole scenario. After the booking of the slots, we get an email and also a WhatsApp message. So let me show you the WhatsApp message. So yeah, I got the WhatsApp message. This is my WhatsApp message 16 and the time is 10:30, which I requested. So good. Now I'm going to show you the email also. So yeah, I also got the email, which is a calendar invite, and also it has the link to a Google meeting. Also, there is a gift which I have received. This is a gift from my client and it's actually created by analyzing the transcript. So this is the gift. So the AI has written a song for me. So now I'm going to show you how it actually works. I'm going to give you a deep overview what we are actually doing in this setup. So firstly, the form is filled and we instantly get the name and phone number. We have actually given the webhook URL to the form and we have made some changes by doing some custom coding. So the webhook will be instantly triggered. So after that, we will get the details. The agent will make a call to the customer and also will tell the different things about the company, like what my client do. And after that, it will ask for the preferred time and country in which they are right now. By using that country, the make.com scenario will use GeoNames API and that country name to find the IANA time zone. After that, we will calibrate the caller's requested time from their time zone into my client time zone, and according to my client time zone, the calendar will be checked. Also, this is a very dynamic system. So actually my client told me that he wants the meeting to be scheduled between 8 a.m. to 9 p.m. So it will only check the slots which are lying between 8 a.m. to 9 a.m. according to this calibration. So after that, the meeting booking will be done. Response will be like your meeting has been booked. You will get a WhatsApp message and an email. So you will get a WhatsApp message as I just showed you. If we want, the WhatsApp message can also be scheduled as a reminder. Let's say 3 hours or half an hour before the appointment. Also, the email will be sent upon the appointment. Here we are actually scheduling it using reminders. So 2 reminders have been scheduled, 3 hours before the meeting and half an hour before the meeting. And there is a gift, which is the song. So actually my client wants that there shouldn't be any meeting just after an hour. They want around 1.5 hours gap for every meeting. So this thing is also ensured by this build. So let's say if there is any caller and the meeting has been scheduled, but that's around 1.5 hours later than current time. So it's possible that 3 hours before the meeting, this reminder you will not get. So you will get only half an hour reminder before the meeting. So this is a very dynamic build and it's being used for the real purposes. So if you want, you can also get this build for your own business. It's a like working voice AI Calendly, or you can say the cal.com. I built this for one of my clients, but the truth is any businesses dealing with international clients can use it. Or also if you're working with your country clients, then also you can use it, because sending a personalized gift and a WhatsApp message, that's a gold mine. And also it will save time, money and stress too. If you're ready to see how this can transform your business, book a free call. The link is in the description. Like I said, I only open 3 slots per week. Grab them before they are gone. Let's talk, let's build and make your business unstoppable. So yeah, I will see you all in the next video. Till then, goodbye.